Buon appetito.
Yeah, but wine is always good.
And wine is always good. Buon appetito a tutti.
Yes, wine is always good.
Salute.
Yes. And water is always good.
Buon appetito.
Bon appetito. And Joni, we gotta try this. Is this a
Wine is always good.
yes, wine sauce. So this is how to dish up pasta. Look at that. So, ooh,
And then we we actually had a house about 15 minutes away. 15 minutes distance. Then
it's always very important
then now we sold that.
to finish off the pasta.
Winter time,
In the pan.
snow starts in
And we're not
November.
going to use any
Yes, in November. So we sold that house.
And until February.
oh, there we go.
No, till about
A
March.
little bit of juice on
Still
top.
snow now.
Oh,
Snowed again today.
Yes.
They had a bit more snow. But it's melting. And
Now when I was living in Boston,
There we go. Now we're done.
Hey,
Now we're serving.
push out.
So you pick. So the pasta's been. You put. Then you. Perfecto. Yes, that's exactly the way I would do it. Now you switch it. Oh. I turn this off. I turn this off.
Quello puoi spegnere.
Okay. Oh. Look at that, Johnny. That's going to be perfecto. Oh. And no, there's no cheese.
Yeah.
No cheese.
No.
un pochino ci voleva.
Oh.
Allora,
And this
Ma no, sai?
smells the perfume.
the perfume. Oh my.
Fragrance.
Oh Lord. See? This is the one we made last. That's the one we made last night. Loredana made last night.
Right.
Look at that.
That's the scampi.
That back one doesn't work very good. Oh, maybe no. Okay.
Rimettiamo l'acqua.
Okay. Water up here, yes.
Spruzzatore.
So now we start heating up the yesterday's Scampis. Yes, Loredana?
Yes.
We start heating.
Riscaldiamo. Poi aggiungiamo il liquido della pasta.
Yes.
we add
Liquid.
pasta liquid, 1 cup.
From the liquid from the pasta. Yes. 1 ladle? 1 or 2? Oh, now she's putting in the pasta juice into the Scampis. 2.
2.
No? 2.
Yes. Ora li fai.
And then that's going to be how much longer? Minute? Maybe?
The water from the pasta, you can put a glass of white wine and let it.
But I like this.
Orazio
This is very good.
Erri.
Yes. Orazio, she's going to serve Orazio, number 1. Harry
number
two.
one,
No,
Orazio number 2.
No, Orazio number 1, Harry number 2, Joan number 3, Loredana actually number 1. You're number 1. No, you're number 4.
Number 4.
No, you're number 1.
Yes.
And you can actually do any variation you want. You are good with
Yes.
fantasy.
Yes, I do. Yes, you're right. I love.
Yeah.
But I want to make.
We experiment. You can with this. You can experiment.
Yes, but I like to know how the Sicilians do it. I love that. That is just so marvelous, right, Joni?
It is. It's wonderful.
Yeah, it's wonderful, wonderful,
Terrific.
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Ciao,
Ciao.
Orazio. We're going to come to your house, April 15th.
April 17.
Your birthday.
April 17. And the next day there is Easter Monday
Okay, so
because it's a national holiday, and we will be about
but
40
on the
people.
17th,
40 people?
we're coming on the 17th.
You come in the 17 and the 18.
And the 18. Oh. Oh. I will be. I
may also
have
come-
no way of losing
You
weight.
may also come the 19 if you like.
So that's in 17 days, and we have to learn Italian in 17 days.
Yeah. Loredana says.
Assaggia la pasta, vedi com'è.
Loredana says. No speaking English at her house.
No, non speak English, only Italian.
Only Italian. Yes, I agree.
Che disastro.
So,
Com'è?
does he talk? That's gonna be disastro. Yeah. Al dente.
Molto poco la...
So,
You like soft or al dente?
al dente is good.
Al dente is good.
Allora la
Yes,
scelta?
like wine, always good. The day Andrea dropped by, and it's gonna be
On
perfect.
Italian TV.
Orazio, digli che ancora nei funghi ci manca il sale, ma lo mettiamo quando si asciuga. Perché sennò vengono salati.
Here's an important thing with the mushrooms.
Here, you smell it first.
Right now the
What do you-
salt is missing, but you
No,
put the salt when they all dry. Otherwise they become salty.
Oh,
So you
Okay.
put last.
guarda.
at the end.
Vedi
Alla
quanta
fine.
acqua? Vedi quanta
See how much
acqua?
your liquid. That liquid needs to evaporate.
No, no, nella frutta.
Non deve evaporare quel liquido?
Sì, ora sì, no.
So now the liquid all has to
Siccome noi non l'abbiamo bolliti,
Sì.
Ah.
infatti ho aumentato.
Il vino è sempre buono. Always
Ah.
good.
Look at the mushrooms too. Ah.
They look good.
Red wine
And you dip a little
from
bit
the
in-
slopes of Mount Etna, from vines called Nerello Mascalese.
Really, that's what the vines are called. Very nice.
It's got a beautiful taste. Reminds you of strawberry.
Yes.
We're in the DOC area.
These mushrooms.
Nerella.
These
That's-
mushrooms are very good.
That is
oh.
good. Match it with mushrooms, yeah.
Very good together.
When she makes, I call it.
Polpettino.
Yeah.
Poi ci sbattiamo l'uovo sopra.
And
Formaggio.
on top,
And we listen. You know what we'll do? We'll listen to not Pavarotti, Andrea Pacelli while we're cooking. Yes.
yeah.
Allora facciamo poi sbattiamo le uova
on top you mix the
con
egg
il parmigiano,
Parmesan.
black pepper
Yes.
and egg.
e neve.
Ah.
Egg, parmigiano and black pepper.
Oh.
Together.
Alla
and then
mamma,
and you-
mamma delle, pasta alla mamma delle,
and you
mia
put
madre.
on
Your
top.
mother.
My mother.
Ah.
Pasta alla mamma delle. Per secondo invece rabbit con...
A rabbit?
Rabbit con...
Sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. This good couple would be good to make cooking lessons.
Yeah.
You are now
Oh.
perfect.
It's a Scampi name.
For
But she has to drink.
cooking,
She has to
ma devi
start.
bere per this.
But she has to start drinking wine. She has to start drinking wine.
Sì, così non,
Kill the bacteria.
Yes, exactly. White wine. Yes.
così non capisco più niente.
No, così ammazzi il batterio.
You get a drink. You. White
Just
wine.
smell it.
Batteria.
What I haven't done before, like what Loredana is saying. See how much juice there is in there?
Yes.
Water. She's going to boil us right straight down. She's going to
Puoi
everything
fare anche un
evaporates.
risotto.
Okay. Then we.
That mushroom seed,
Can-
you can make risotto.
Yes. Can I take out the liquid and make risotto?
No, puoi fare il riso lì, poi mettiamo un po' di tomato
Okay.
e fai il risotto.
Oh, and then for risotto. Ah, this would make marvelous. Oh, where's the spoon?
Ora te lo do io uno spoon. Tieni spoon.
So,
Però non c'è il sale. Non c'è il
loro
sale.
per Pasqua sono con noi.
Sì.
Much. Oh,
Good.
let's taste. Where are you?
Guardate,
Mushroom.
ma senza zucchero, senza sale?
No salt yet.
No, it's okay. Taste. Just mushrooms. Isn't that wonderful?
Buono?
Ah.
È buono?
È liscio, no.
E vabbè, ora ce lo metto
There
il
is
sale.
a little bit of salt is
Oh, you
needed.
can.
Buono.
Oh,
It's
such much. Yes, but so.
with a touch of the mushroom.
Yes. Oh.
Not so well with the scampi, but
Well, we
well with the mushrooms.
Yes, we will have with the mushrooms, and I have some white wine with
Do not exaggerate.
Ora si cucina.
And Loredana speaks perfect English.
Quando friggono.
Right, Loredana?
Questi qua tu sta qua, c'è come vedere?
Questo è dei funghi ora.
Perché ci vuole?
No, no, no.
Oh,
Ora veniamo alle cose buone.
buono. Oh,
Questi non fanno nessun odore.
how does it smell?
No, fanno, c'erano aglio
E basta.
Basta.
Ora c'è perfetto?
Come si chiamano dei fungi? Non lo
Questi?
so.
Questi sono funghi coltivati, sai quelli nella spugna?
Oh, this started burning.
Yes, it did, Cyber. Isn't that funny? She started burning.
The mushrooms are cultivated mushrooms, not wild.
Questa la mettiamo tutta, ok?
Yeah. Okay. We got more.
No.
No, that's enough. Yes, absolutely. Yes.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's all. No problem. No vinegar?
No, vinegar è quello.
Oh, that's vinegar. Wine has turned into vinegar.
Is there actually wine in there?
No, vinegar.
Oh, real vinegar.
Please. Smell.
No.
Adesso ora io dove la condisco nella pentola della cosa.
Oh, vinegar. Good
Oh,
vinegar.
it is
Oh,
vinegar.
yeah. How do you get it out?
From the faucet.
Ah. Very good. Oh, it's going to be marvelous.
It's going to be vinegar, like apple cider vinegar with
Very
other-
good vinegar. Vinegar made from wine.
Yes.
So it'll be like
Excellent.
very healthy.
Ah, questo
Living
what do you use that
vinegar.
serve.
Ah. Parsley.
Starting to
The
sizzle.
garlic. Ah.
Legno, bravo.
Yes, that lady. Wood. Yes, we're in here. Yes.
Yes.
Do we put lemon? No. No
Lemon?
No. Mmm.
In Sicilia il lemon si usa per i dolci, per altre cose o il pesce.
Lemon?
Ma non in queste cose, no.
Il pesce, il
Non
pesce.
lemon.
No, no. Fish.
No, with mushroom.
When do we put in
No, no, questo no,
No, when?
Perché
First, let's. Ah, look at all those mushrooms. Loredana. Oh my goodness. Do we cover?
Si deve coprire?
Eh sì,
Sì.
tutto si deve coprire. Non si può cucinare senza coperchio, ma qua il coperchio non
I have
c'è.
no cover.
No.
Maybe this is.
Coperto.
Grande, no, this is little.
Maybe work
No, no,
with- no?
no.
Okay. Where did you put the paper? The paper to
Poi
cut.
un poco di carta.
Garlic. She just wants. Loredana just wants it crushed like this. That's it. And then a little hot pepper that they have here.
Right.
And I'm just going to cut this up into smaller pieces. Little. This is not. This is cilantro. No.
Lui vuole
Barb,
sì,
no,
al di là della
What's the name?
diciamo, no,
Parsley.
You want more?
non so se deve-
Posso usare questo?
voleva la
What? Yes.
mappa della strada per vederlo.
Do you want more, Loredana?
Basta. Perfetto.
Hai capito? Voleva la mappa della strada per vederlo.
So oil warming? Yes. Hot. When do you put?
Oh,
No. Wait till it gets hot.
Questo è tanto, è troppo.
First.
Delitto.
More.
No.
Ok.
Questo è troppo.
Let's see. What are we cooking today?
yeah, we're cooking funghi trefolati,
Trifolati.
trifolati,
Okay.
with tomato con pomodoro,
No, bianco.
without tomato,
Without tomatoes.
and spaghetti con gli scambri
Oh yes. We're gonna have.
we cooked yesterday.
Yes. So the Scampis. We're gonna have that
Ognuno
first.
se li
For
pulisce
first.
nel suo piatto, no? Diglielo.
Oh yeah. The scambri, a whole scambri will go on a dish, and each one will clean by itself.
And the pasta is on the side.
And the pasta is
But this has a tomato sauce, tomato sauce, no? The Scampis?
in the mushrooms.
No, in the Scampis. A little tomato. That was made
Per
yesterday.
aggiungere poi un po' di
Sugo.
sughetto dell'acqua, dov'è il
This
umido?
Garbage?
Umido.
So that goes in the garbage. I'm gonna put that. It's in that one. Start a new bag, okay? Sweetheart? Perfecto.
Perfettissimo.
So last night, when Loredana was over, and we made these Scampis, and this is it's cold now. We had it in the fridge overnight. Now we're gonna warm those up, and we're gonna peel them. Yes, Loredana? Peel? Yes.
No, ognuno si piglia il suo.
Okay.
Si mettono così nella pasta.
Yeah, in the pot. We're gonna do pasta. Listen to the pasta.
Sì.
Say. And the mushrooms. Orazio!
Come siamo?
Are you ready to eat? No? Want soon? Yes?
Almost.
Well, almost ready. Okay, perfecto. Look at that. Loredana, come on, give me a smile.